Well, here we're looking at an ABC move and the Dow, or at least this could be what we're looking at. We're seeing it run sideways here, almost kind of looks like a triangle formation right now. This could really just continue to create, kind of like a bullish flag kind of scenario that it could continue into the 17,850 to 17. I would say 17,875, something like that. I think as it gets up into this range, it's going to be real dicey. Whether it moves further, I think it would have a very difficult time. But I do believe it can make that last gasp into this range to the 850 and still start to weaken out as we start to get closer to our targets. You can see it go past our 61% retracement. And it does look like it's trying to make that further move. And what we talk about here is the proportion for C compared to the prior wave. Now, what's interesting is these things work in proportions. We talked about that, and you could see as it goes through this correction, you could see almost that's perfect right here. And so now we're seeing it kind of run sideways. So I do think there's a chance it could try to gasp up here, but it looks like it's starting to top out a little bit on the hourly anyway. Watch for that gasp. Any break of this 17,550 range, I think we would see much deeper moves and, another test of the 17,200, very likely break that. But you could see the important ranges here. Here's your 50% of the move from the prior swing. So, of course, it had a prior pivot. That would be your first important range, the 17,600. It really can't break that. If it starts to break that, then very likely you see a further, much deeper declines, and it will very likely weaken out and start to sell hard. As I said, next week, I really think the end of November could be a little dicey for the overall market. I mean, I just see some volatility that should be coming in. So watch for that potential.